Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to talk about Fantom and its token FTM, conduct machine learning based price forecast and regression analysis and accumulation strategies. None of the content is financial advice. And the price of Fantom today is at around 55 cents by a volume ranked almost close to top 20 cryptos, by market cap in top 50. Higher volume than market cap is always a good sign in terms of rankings. The max supply and total supply are again are about to be migrated again. Fantom and its token FTM will be migrated soon to Sonic. If you want to know more, you can check about the post on their own website, or you can use CoinMarketCap and check it over here. In terms of the machine learning based price forecast for Fantom and its token FTM, what we have today is between now and assuming that the tokenomics are relatively same between now and end of year, between 55 cents to about 75 cents. That's the base case. The bear case is between 28 cents and 51 cents, and the bull case is between 70 cents all the way to about $1.60. This is calculated using machine learning methods such as ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost. The tabular values are available on the bottom of this chart. All of the content is available on cryptoweeklies.com. You don't have to pay up or sign up for anything. The base case is over here. To its left are the three bear cases at 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation confidence. To its right are the 1 standard deviation, 2 standard, 3 standard deviation bull cases for not just Fantom, for most of the cryptos, at least the top 100 on the website. You can check them out. And one crypto has one row, and all of the content is available over here. The top 20 ones have more content. Again, they have more analytics, slightly more analytics than outside the top 20. So per the regression analysis for Fantom, again, if you were to compare the weekly price action of Fantom and wrap a polynomial regression function around its price action, the base case is the base regression function is this pink line in the middle. To its top are the 3 standard deviation cases, and to its bottom are the 3 standard deviation undervaluation. So right now the fair value per the regression model for Fantom and token FTM is at around $1.11. That means the price is lower than the fair value. It's very close to the 1 standard deviation bottom. The 1 standard deviation bottom levels for Fantom, again assuming everything equal, at around 46 cents. Right now it's at around 55 cents, the current price. You can see ever since late August of 2024, the price has been being close or holding support on this 1 standard deviation bottom. Right, and this 1 standard deviation bottom in this phase of the market are again have an increasing or a upward bias. In the bear market they have a downward bias. Right now we are in a bull market per this regression analysis, and the likely price action per these models, if we focus only on the 1 standard deviation cases right now, the price action to the upside at this point, the 1 standard deviation peak at around $2.63. What tends to happen during the bear market is price goes close to the 1 standard deviation bottom, at least for Fantom. It hasn't seen a 2 standard deviation or 3 standard deviation bottom, which is a good sign, relative strength compared to other cryptos. And during the peak, this 2 standard deviation ceiling is often a key value to notice. Right now that 2 standard deviation peak is at around $6.25. So if we were to overlay with the sentiment analysis for the major crypto right now, the overall sentiment is at around 52. During the mania phases, usually this sentiment goes close to 100. And all of the narratives, again you can check them individually on cryptoweeklies.com under this news indicator TLDR. This is where this graph is derived from. And again, machine learning based scraping of news related to crypto. This is over the last 24 hours. This is the word cloud over the last 7 days. What narratives are popular in the crypto market? Definitely Bitcoin, and then bullish sentiment is back. Again, the talks about some of the higher cap altcoins such as Cardano as well as XRP is over here. Ethereum and its discussion, US election related candidates, unlocks related news, Grayscale related. I think they have filed for a not filed for an ETF, but they have launched a launched a product for some of the altcoins going forward. Again, discussions about altcoins are again over here, the Fed as well as DeFi related news. So that's garnering most of the attention of the crypto market participants at this point in time. If you were to look at the overall sentiment or the overall heat levels in the market right now, it's in the green zone or low risk zone. During the mania phases, usually the market visits either orange or the red zone. The yellow zone is the neutral zone. This is again normalized between 0 and 1 the risk levels for top 100 cryptos by market cap, again analyzing several risk factors such as alpha, beta, volatility, Sharpe ratio, as well as percent drawdown. Again, this is a relatively per this model, again a relatively decent time to get in the market. The blue zone is the best time to get in the market when the risk is between 0 and 0.1, and the best time to get out is when the risk go higher than 0.75 risk, when the color shifts from orange to red like it did in 2021. So this is the overall scenario. If you were to look at the market from the 20-week simple moving average perspective for both Bitcoin and ETH and their risk level, because they together hold up about between 60 to 80% of the market share of the crypto market. ETH risk is plummeting to less than 0.2. Again, when ETH goes into low risk, altcoins also tend to go into the low risk because they are correlated. Again, BTC risk is slightly higher at around 0.27, but both are in this low risk regimen right now. And if we were to check the performance over the last some certain key periods, again today Fantom has emerged as the winner. Again, over the last 30 days, the performance of Fantom has been the best. Overall speaking, again, if you were to normalize performance over the 4 key periods, 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, and 30 days, Sui has slight edge over Fantom. If we were to look at the accumulation strategies for Fantom, the SMA based risk at this point in time is at around 0.38. Again, the third or fourth best to time to accumulate for this model. This is a very short term model geared towards identifying the likely mean reversion trade, not too much towards the market cycle lows and accumulating during the bottoms. For that, the DCA model is more beneficial to use because it analyzes the performance over a cycle or multiple cycles. Again, the fair value, as we discussed, is at around $1.11, and proportionally speaking, the risks to accumulate Fantom are some of the lowest level, again between 0 and 0.1. The actual risk score is at around 0.06 and at a price at around 55 cents. Again, you can see this is if you were to only accumulate Fantom when the risk color is this plum or violet, you would have done decently identifying some of the key bottoms in terms of Fantom's price action. This is the DCA model. Again, it's available on cryptoweeklies.com. And if you were to be more conservative and look at only the absolute best times, the time weighted average price model, wherever the price goes below the time weighted average price, that's usually when great deals or decent buy opportunities are available. Again, per this model, right now the risk is slightly elevated. It's at around 0.26. Again, the fair or the time weighted average price for Fantom is at around 40 cents. So not too long ago, that is again September 6, again about 10 to 12 days ago, the price was trading lower. The Fantom was trading lower than its time weighted average price. That is, the price was below this blue line. Again, that is one threshold to look at. Again, this model does attempt to identify some of the tops as well based on the proportional distance between the price and the time weighted average price, but that's for later. Right now we are closer to the bottom than closer to the top. So with this, I would like to summarize whatever we discussed. Again, the risk with accumulation of Fantom in terms of time weighted average price is at a third best time to DCA, and the DCA model, which is again primarily driven for dollar cost averaging, says that 0.06, again best time to DCA. For the SM model, this is the fourth best time to DCA. The regression model says that the mean reversion trade to around $1.11. price is close to the 1 standard deviation bottom. Historically speaking, this has been a good buy zone. If you follow this light green line, and the machine learning based price forecast, again, between now, the base case between now and end of year at around price between 55 cents and 75 cents, the bull case between 70 cents and about $1.63, the bear case between 30 cents and 50 cents. With this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you like the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.